Alright everybody, welcome to another box break by GolfNut77777. Today we are doing Zenith 2010-11. Just want to go over the list of all the teams. We got some regular bidders, we got some new bidders. I know it's been a while since I've done a box break, but thanks to all those that bid on the teams. I want to give a shout out to Dolly66 and to Teeks643 and to Ocean7, and yeah, those guys are people that I talk to regularly bidding on my box breaks. The other one would be Fudgy McPoo, but he didn't bid. I think it was a little late for him. As you can see, I've got a couple new things in the background there, thanks to my kids. Those were Father's Day presents. That's Joe Sakic, and that one is Ray Bork. And the last prize of my collection back there is the 10-11 championship ticket, Matt Duchene, 1 of 1. Had to show that off because I pulled that out of a pack all by myself. $7 pack of cards. Pulled that card. I was so excited. Let's do the box break, and then we will get to the bonuses after that. So again, it's Zenith 2010-11. The ID number or serial number is NE93183886. I know it won't show up on my camera, but I can guarantee you that's the serial number. And let's get to the break. Now, the Dare to Tear card I will not be tearing. I will send that out, and whatever team it goes to will be up to them if they want to break it or not. I've seen a couple where they've broken it, and I've seen a couple where they haven't. So I'll put the checklist up there. Don't want to hide Matt Duchene, but got to. So the Dare to Tear card is it is the Vancouver Canucks, Henrik Sedin. So the Canucks will get that card, and they can break it open if they want to, or they can keep it. Totally up to them. Alright, so there's 10 packs. 5 cards per pack. As always, every card gets shipped out in my breaks. I do not keep these cards. I do not pretend to give them away to other people. I'm sure they are giving them away. I'm not saying they aren't. I like buying in the breaks because if I get duplicates of base cards, I give them to my kids. Speaking of one, he's sitting here watching me. So if you hear some noise in the background, that's my my little one, Ian. Alright, first card, Phil Kessel, Toronto Maple Leafs. Daniel Carcillo, yours truly auto for the Philadelphia Flyers. Card DC, not numbered, but nice little on-card auto there. Then we got the Buffalo Sabres Mosaic, no jersey. You can see, you might have been able to see my son's hands there. So that's Jason Pominville, Drew Stafford, and Thomas Vanek. Sorry everyone, my son's messing up my little setup over here, so let me go and take care of him. Alright, sorry about that everyone. He was messing with my mojo, so I had to put him in his high chair. So then we have a Spacer, San Jose Sharks, LA Kings. I'm going to rush through these now that I've had to mess around with my son, and hopefully we can get this done quickly. New York Rangers, Nashville Predators, Guy Lafleur of the Montreal Canadiens, Spacer, Minnesota, Vancouver. This is my first box of Zenith that I've opened, so if I miss anything, sorry. Dallas Stars, Toronto Maple Leafs, Gifted Grinders, James Neal of the Pittsburgh Penguins. Card number 11. Then we have Spacer, Edmonton Oilers, Buffalo Sabres. Carolina Hurricanes, Tampa Bay Lightning, St. Louis Blues, Spacer, Vancouver Canucks, San Jose Sharks. Calgary Flames, Edmonton Oilers, Nashville Predators. Then we got a Winter Warriors jersey of Michael Del Zotto of the New York Rangers. It's not numbered. I've seen these Winter Warriors with and without jerseys, I believe, but not a bad card. Buffalo Sabres, St. Louis Blues. Nashville Predators, New York Islanders, New York Rangers, Spacer, LA Kings, Calgary Flames. Carolina Hurricanes. Then we have a parallel of Dan Hamhuis of the Vancouver